Bonjour and welcome to French 1 with Mr. McCoy. This is lesson 24 dedicated to a presentation of school subjects. Okay? So our learning objective for this lesson is for you to be able to name the classes you're taking this semester. I've got a somewhat lengthy list, not too lengthy, but a list even so of classes which should, if you get these down, enable you to talk about most of what's going on here at Southeast Raleigh. Try not to be too specific with it, but again, it should be a sufficient list of general subjects, okay? Enough to let you have a conversation, basic conversation. If you want to look for something more specialized term for something you're taking and enjoying, by all means, I'll let you look for that outside of class. But again, if you're familiar with these terms, I think that'll be satisfactory. Okay, so I go through the list once. Just make sure as we go through this, try to repeat after me. I'll try to find put some subtitles or something on this video. But I found that students don't have that hard of a time learning this vocabulary. It's just a matter of getting the pronunciation down, which sometimes gets a little bit tricky. Okay, so I've got again a list of subjects, basic terms for school subjects. I've also got 5 conversational questions I'm going to show to you that I want you to learn, and I want you to be able to answer. Okay, so again, if you had a family member that's got a new girlfriend or boyfriend who's speaking French, this material in this video will allow you to have, for example, you tell that person, I'm taking French, short conversation in French on the subject of school subjects. Okay, so again, let's go over a couple of school subjects. We have d'abord les langues. On a l'anglais, l'espagnol, le français, l'allemand, le japonais, le latin. On a les sciences, la chimie, la physique, la biologie, l'anatomie, l'informatique. On a les arts, okay, comme le dessin, les arts plastiques, la musique, la chorale, la danse, le théâtre. On a les mathématiques comme l'algèbre, la géométrie. We also have la philosophie, la psychologie, la sociologie, l'histoire, la géographie, le PS, ou bien le sport, et puis le DPS. Okay? So again, rewind that if you need to. Just try to get the pronunciation down. Okay? So here's some conversational questions we could learn. D'abord, numéro 1. Tu as combien de cours ce semestre? Tu as combien de cours ce semestre? How many classes do you have this semester? And admittedly, it's not very suspenseful here at Southeast Raleigh. I have an idea of how many classes you have, but okay, it could be different for French students. Okay, so you would answer, par exemple, j'ai 4 cours ce semestre. Okay. Question numéro 1. Tu as combien de cours ce semestre? On peut répondre, par exemple, j'ai 4 cours ce semestre. Okay. Question numéro 2. Tu as quel cours ce semestre? Tu as quel cours ce semestre? What classes or which classes do you have this semester? Okay? So you could name them, okay? Par exemple, on pourrait dire j'ai français, anglais, histoire et sport ce semestre. Okay? Now notice, don't use articles. You're telling what classes you have don't use the articles. Okay? Encore, question numéro 2. Tu as quel cours ce semestre? On peut répondre, par exemple, j'ai français, anglais, histoire et sport ce semestre. Okay? Question numéro 3. At what time do you have such and such? Okay? Par exemple, tu as français à quelle heure? Tu as français à quelle heure? Again, no article. Okay? Tu as français à quelle heure? You could answer. On peut répondre. J'ai français à 9h28. Okay, so if you're in French too right now, you could answer. J'ai français à 9h28. If you have first period French 1, you could say j'ai français à 7h25. If you have French 1 4th period, you could say j'ai français à 13h06. Okay? Use the official time, okay, when you get stating this, okay? But again, don't put the article. I have such and such at such and such time. Don't use the article, okay? J'ai français à 9h28. Okay? Question numéro 4. Do you like such and such a class? Okay? Here we do need the article, okay? Par exemple, on peut demander tu aimes le français? Tu aimes le français? Tu aimes le français? Oui, j'aime le français. C'est intéressant. Okay? Oui, j'aime le français. C'est intéressant, c'est passionnant, c'est super, c'est cool, okay? Etc. Okay? Yeah, you talk about liking a subject, use the article, okay? Et une dernière question, okay? What's your such and such class teacher's name? Okay. Comment s'appelle ton professeur de français? Okay. Comment s'appelle ton professeur de français? Okay. And don't put the article in there. Okay. Comment s'appelle ton professeur de français? Okay. If you're one of my students, okay, you'd answer. Mon professeur de français s'appelle Monsieur McCoy. Mon professeur de français s'appelle Monsieur McCoy. Okay? Now, the standard term for teacher is le professeur. Le professeur. So it doesn't matter if the teacher is a man or a woman. Okay? You don't need different words, so don't worry about that. Okay? What's your such and such teacher's name? Comment s'appelle ton professeur de français? Okay? Mon professeur de français s'appelle Monsieur McCoy. Okay? So again, go over those 5 questions. Okay? You should be able to ask a classmate or a new friend those questions, and be ready to answer those if I ask you or somebody else did. Okay? So again, and review the subjects. Try to get those school subject names, get their pronunciation down as well as you can. Okay? Make things more interesting for all of us. Okay? Hope you enjoyed it. Merci et au revoir.